YouTubers. So in order to get myself ready for the Mexico trip, I actually have a new 18 horsepower motor to take with me. That is here in my storage, well, in actually the garage right now. It's on the pallet truck. It's tough to handle, but I do have the outboard stand all there ready. So I'm going to open up the box and see if I can get it on the stand on my own. If I can't, then I'll have to wait and get some help from a neighbor. I did do an unboxing of the 12 horse. I don't expect this to be very much different. This is just a bigger motor. Let's move this into the garage space. There we go. Okay, that's in place. All I got to do now, let's see. And I'm pretty certain that this one will be the same as the other one. Big, oh wow, actually this is the other one. The polystyrene, the styrofoam packing on the other one was just literally blasted apart. This one still in one piece, as you see. And like the other one, comes with a tank, comes with hose, and there's the motor in the box. So I'm going to get that out and see if I can get it on the stand on my own. Just like the 12 horse, it comes with a spares kit, impeller, pull handle, couple spark plugs, the instruction manual, and new gaskets. Also has the fuel pipe and the tank. And let's go. And here I am, panting like an old man. But she is on the stand and she's looking pretty nice. So now we gotta just get the brakes off. Move her forward just a little. And get these tightened up so we can get ready to give her a test start. But first, of course, we're gonna have to oil up lubricate up the transfer box. So, but as I say, first we have her. She is on the stand, and what ready to start the test. So, like the other one, she has this one's forward, neutral. Okay. Having trouble going into reverse. I don't know what that's going on. So there's the fuel connector. And like the other one, the finish is very good. Such an inexpensive motor. There we go. So we'll just put the lid back on. When I actually figured out how to put the top back on, the cowl back on, it actually went on pretty easily. Let's see. So she lifts up and holds nicely, actually better than the other ones does. Very big sacrificial anode there. And let's see here. There we go. A little less severe angle. That's appears to be a nice motor. So first of all, you need to get the lubrication in this transfer box before I do anything else. So that's the next step. So right now we're gonna fill the transfer box right here with the oil. First job is to take out the plugs. I did already loosen these off a little. See, they have where are we? See, they have a seal on them. Now, my last Hangkai engine did not have any oil in this. So I'm just about to find out if this one does. Just a tiny bit by the looks of things. So we're good. So here, this is the adapter for the pump, the little oil pump. Get the oil into this, and that in there. As you can see now, the pump is connected to the transfer box, and what we do now is pump this until it runs out of the top hole. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. And you see there it is. T3. Put the top one in first, which creates the seal. And put that top one in there and tighten it up. Once we tighten that up, the oil tends not to run out of the bottom. Let me take this one out, so give that a good wipe so we can get this undone. There we go. It's coming out a little bit. There we go. Come on. A little bit messy, but not too bad. And then you see that the oil basically is barely coming out. And put the plug back in and tighten it up. And we now have oil in the transfer box. Next step will be to connect up the fuel. Fill up the carburetor and leave that there